Hello. 1, 2, 1, 2. Hello, everybody. We are 3 members of McFly, the best ones. Our drummer is dancing, so he couldn't be here. Sorry. Sing. You sing. Release the lions. We've had a very good day here today, and we're very honoured to be starting your fireworks. Do you have anything to say? It's nearly Christmas! Oh, who's got your wellies on? Not me. Well, without further ado, I hand it over to Dougie for the countdown. We would like to say thank you to Longleat for having us, and we'll see you soon. Enjoy the fireworks.
I can't believe you guys actually trust me to do the countdown. Ooh, I can hear myself. Wow, that's so hot. Okay, do we just do this, yeah? We start at 10, and then go down. What's next? 9. Okay. Everybody ready?